welcome back to our YouTube channel. Each week here, we release multiple live streams, videos, and podcast episodes that will help you get money to grow your business. Below this video is our live streaming section where you can access our live streams while in session or see our upcoming events. We go live Tuesday and Thursday at 1 and 11 o'clock on Wednesday, all Eastern time. Now below that section, you can access our most popular 5 playlists that contain videos on how to build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal social, how to get loans and credit lines, and how to improve your fundability to get all of it at the absolute best financing terms. Now below that section, you'll access our most popular videos and playlists that contain hundreds of trainings that will help you get the capital you need when you need it. Don't forget to visit us on our other social channels where we have daily tips that will help you get the money you need to start and grow your business. Make sure you click the bell icon also on the right side of the subscribe button and select all to get notified whenever we release new content. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you on our next training.